I am Mrs. Connie Ann Talanya Magnaya Gemetisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Connie Ann Talanya Magnaya Quezon the First. At the moment, they is putting on shuffle of my feelings, of which is it is not a doctor treatment, it is killing treatment. I starts to feel my own feeling year 2021 only. That is so crucial on myself. I exist and yet the feeling of myself is being get of a person kabi. I could not feel my I could not enjoy my life due to my feeling is being get. I am not dramatic. They use black magic and then they tends to feel myself, of which is they is uses it so that to kills me. Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri is getting my feeling, as well as Richel Angel Mentisa Sr. and then Precious Cruz Sendico. Who else is the girl gender? On TikTok, the person. And then about entertainment. And then I am on a situation that they not currently, this is currently today, March 4, 2025. They not want to feel myself, my own feeling when it comes on to uh, happy enjoyment, because of I am on happy enjoyment feeling. The feeling about it is scenery that I sight. And then on that moment, they is assuming of such as not going indoor, even though myself could go indoor. And then what they will just alibi is my currently situation, such that they say the word mice, rat. They their alibi is just saying that I have no money, even though uh having no, even though myself has no money, of which is that is their killing portion on myself, putting me on tenga mode so that myself could not enjoy my life. So even my college degree, when it comes on to studying on college about accountancy, is as well black magic of a person, of which is I already say that on my Facebook live era video about it, of such as putting me on Tenga mode. Tenga mode is more on putting on myself, of such over in myself is uh, myself is does not want to sight scenery. So it is as well of what I am doing currently today, this morning. I sight scenery on Facebook and then they not want me to enjoy it. Such that the bobo camouflage, the person that will be slash the head, criminal that person is. I not know that person is criminal. I not want that person. I never think of that person. Only Alex Junior ko is my if what is my lover. And then what they're doing is truthfulness leveling of their crime. So meaning to say, it is not lesson. Never it is lesson to a kids. What they're doing is, they is killer, chismosa, of which is should be dead. Parang, it is such as existence of them is bad doing. Crime is about it. Here at Philippine Day is may ear swallows. Nakakadiri yung boses sa tenga. Love life ko, Alex, ko since high school. 17 year already is me and Alex Jr. ko. I'm not killer, but a person be dead. The ancient lolo says the bad person will be dead. I wish it happens. Bad person be dead. 6 minutes and 46 seconds.